What's going on, guys? I can't believe it. So, today, chilling day, awesome day, pretty cool day, but the market doing this bad. Wow, it's insane, everybody. I love it. Well, what are my initial thoughts and what do you think is going to happen and where are we heading and what does that mean for the crypto market and what is happening right now, right? As a whole, for sure we want to make money. For sure we're believing that crypto is the future. For sure this is gonna pass. But everyone, once again, I'm looking at a super long-term investment for my cryptocurrency. I'm not selling anything, and I hope you guys watching are holding strong, diamond handing everything. As you know, we just finished a live a couple minutes ago, and it was great about NFTs. And as I was doing my live, I was like, man, the cryptocurrency market is crashing, so I should talk about this too. So I decided, hey, let's go ahead and start another live. Whoever joins, awesome. But we do this second lives or whatever you want to call it if something is happening, right? And typically I like to do it when everything's exploding and we have so much money on the line and it's about buying and selling, buying and trading. But in this case, guys, I think it's just gonna be a conversation for me to go over some amazing deals, because this is the deal. The deal is the deal. Because we are in this situation right now, it allows me and you to buy amazing discount prices. That's it. I believe that whether you like it or not, we're gonna be back. Probably, and I mean, this is gonna hurt some investors, but I'm sure that this is exactly the crypto apocalypse. I always talk in my videos where I say, is this video gonna survive a bear market? I mean, no. Is this crypto is gonna survive a bear market? That is exactly what I tell you guys when we talk about cryptocurrency. Because yes, they can pump a lot. They can go all the way to the moon for a short while, for a month, for 2 months or so. But can they survive a bear market? That is about to be seen. So the good thing about all these cryptocurrencies going to down the drain. Now we're down. We're very down to 2 trillion. We're very down to 2 trillion. That is wow. We reached $3 trillion. Now we got a 2 trillion. So I like it. In a way, this is good. And it's good because it's happening right now, right here. I am young. I'm barely gonna receive some monies very soon, later on this week, and I'm gonna be buying the dip that you wouldn't even believe it. When you go to Twitter and you take a look at some of the more advanced experienced crypto investors, you see that they say, I follow these guys, Benjamin Cohen. We will all love for Bitcoin not to be correlated to the stock market, but for now, that is unfortunately just the way it is. So some people, of course, if you didn't notice the stock market right now, it completely crashed. It was awesome. 2,000 points. The Nasdaq is down right now, from the 16,000 high to 14,000 low. I'm super happy because I'm buying for more money for my Roth IRA. So that is always great news. That being said, everybody, this place in time is great for me because I'm gonna see what are the projects that are due, and I'm sure all the projects that I'm buying are not in that category. And once that happens, the ones that survive are going to have a massive return. I still believe that. Got it? I still believe that. Welcome, G-Puff, Mario, Robert, Space, Luis, Jose, hey, Millie, welcome, G-Puff, and Facts Over Feelings. Hey, guys, we are chilling. We're going to just have a nice conversation. So go ahead and if you're finding some nice information here, consider subscribing and turn on those notification bells. Definitely check out when you finish this live with me, my previous live with Eric Magana, talking about Cardano NFTs. That's another thing, right? Talking about this cryptocurrency down, crash, pullback, whatever you want to call it. Why is this important? Well, there's of course people that were wondering what will happen when Bitcoin crosses the under 40,000. Well, the under 40,000 is just a figure that, a lot of analysts have created, saying, okay, if Bitcoin can hold over 40,000, it means that it's a signal that we're still in a not in denial for a bear market, right? So we're still out of that bear market territory. It's fine. But under 40,000, it was a signal for a lot of investors saying, okay, now Bitcoin, because it's under 40, it means that it can go much lower than that, because that was a support line before it reached that and it got rejected. So that is why it's important. What does that mean, everybody, for our money? It means that at this time, yes, I can tell you, I mean, almost for a fact, even guarantee you that we're going to be passing this cope. We're going to be passing this, and eventually Bitcoin is going to be $100,000, and our ADA is going to be $3 again, and our crypto.com is going to be $1. But when will that happen? That is something I cannot tell you. I cannot predict the future, but we'll just have to hold and see and buy the dip, right? Time to go shopping, like Miller says, time to go shopping. Yes, I came back. Facts over feeling, saying, warn you guys, yesterday we'll go below 40K, and some guys say, no way, we're hitting 35.5 this 37.5 this weekend, folks, so wait for buying dip. I would agree with that, just because we just dropped right now. So we don't have, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. This is the 1 hour right now. And on the stock area side, the stochastic area side right now, it does look like everything is oversold, so which is great. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 day and see how we're looking. Take a look at this, guys. Let's go ahead and do some nice technical analysis here so understand a little bit better what's happening. So here it is. We had $40,000 back in September, so that was good. And then we also see that I'm gonna go ahead and fix this a little bit better. There you go. We are still not in May, June, and July lows of 2021. So that's good. And well, all of us, we don't want to see that repeat, because if we go down that path, we're going to have a very painful 2022, to be honest with you. And I'm not sugarcoating anything right now. I'm not sugarcoating anything. It is what crypto is. It is what crypto is. I'm bullish. You guys are bullish. Some of you are bearish. Everybody's welcome. But I mean, what happened is it hasn't been decoupled from the stock market. And I mean, I will consider what the president of the United States spoke yesterday in a press conference. Probably you're not into that, no worries. I watch it, so you don't have to, guys. But it all has effects in the stock market that happened. And then, I mean, the stock market got hit today very hard. So a lot of the things are going on with definitely the supply chain, the Fed, the Federal Reserve. What's happening with the Federal Reserve is now, instead of giving money out to people, what they're doing is, okay, let's bring it back up, because inflation is at a 40-year high. 7%, everybody. That's a lot of inflation, a lot of percentage. So what it was given to us in 2020, because I was alive in 2021, I was there. Free money, right? Now it's coming back to us. And well, the president said, that's what he said, that the cause of inflation was supply chain. You may agree or disagree, that's up to you. But I think it was because of all the money that it was giving out. But anyway, that's another story. At the end, all of that affects the stock market. All of that affects cryptocurrency. All of that affects capital markets as a whole. So are we just coming back later on for cryptocurrency space and for Bitcoin? Of course we are. So I think the boring part of all of this, everyone, is that we just gotta wait it out. I mean, a lot of people right now are shorting Bitcoin and are doing a fantastic deal. The long in Bitcoin we're perishing a little bit, but people are, of course, buying the shorts, and they're making a lot of money, and that is great. So even though we're seeing at this time how Bitcoin from the top, let's see what happened here. From the top of Bitcoin, I'm going to go ahead and get my price label. I love my price labels. We're looking at 69,000, everybody. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. 9,000 divided by 2 is 4.5. So that will be 34.5. 34.5, that will be the 50 percent in Bitcoin. At this time, we're at 39,000. So if we go to $34,500 for one Bitcoin, definitely that is crash level from the top to that level. Am I panic? Am I gonna just go out and cry because I'm losing money? Of course not. But once again, and this is great. This is great because remember, everybody, in 2021, in 2020, what happened? The pandemic, and a lot of people came on board to crypto, to the stock market. They made a lot of money, and some of them stayed. Some of them are still beginners, and I mean, just a lot of people came in because we had money in our wallets and not able to do anything because we were in lockdowns. But now things are easing up. There's a vaccine. There's all this kind of thing. So I think it's just adjusting, coming back to a normal level when it comes to the macro view of the entire United States space that has ramifications in the market. But there's one thing and one thing only. It's good to say that the crypto market oftentimes is it's connected to the stock market, because if there's one thing that we know about the stock market is that it always come back. This small retracement that we're seeing in the stock market is not even close to what we lived in 2020 February. I still remember. I lived it. So we're gonna be back. Crypto's gonna be back. Bitcoin will be back, and thus far the good cryptocurrencies back there as well. So I want you guys in the chat to tell me, what are the cryptocurrencies you think are going to survive, and what are the cryptocurrencies you think are gonna die? That's a good question. I want to see your thoughts. I want to see your opinions, and I'm going to share them right now on the stream. Havoc, what's going on? Robert, Relax, 6 aka Shiba Holic. Welcome, everybody. We're in the second lap of the day. We're having fun, and we're just talking because that's what we do in crypto, right? We provide our non-financial information, and we have a great time. That is what we're doing. I mean, come on. We're not making money in crypto right now. It's coming down, very, very down. Let me go ahead and show you CRO. Where's my CRO army? Where's my CRO army right now? Well, guess what? I made a video about CRO today. We had a pump today, but I said in that video, hey guys, this, and I said at the very beginning of the video, this is a classic, what? A classic whale manipulation tactic. I mean, isn't this playbook? Isn't this playbook? Everybody, this is so playbook, guys. This is like, let's go to school together. Like, can't believe it, everybody. Can you tell me we're not predicting the future right here? Like, are you kidding me, guys? In one day. This ended in one day. It kind of reminds me to I'm talking, to be honest with you. But wow, like insane. We had a 10%, and that 10% is not much lower. Once again, the volatility of this investment, it's awesome. And people bought here, people sold here, and they're buying back again. The moral of the story is that we're gonna be seeing all these prices back. We're saying AMP token is at 3.6 cents. Oh, really? Where's my AMP beauty? Where's my AMP? Oh! Man, what? It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. But guess what's happening, guys? People are selling. They're liquidating right now. Let me go ahead and show you this. Watcher.guru says, just in 1 hour ago, 418 million has been liquidated from the crypto market in the past 12 hours. Are you accumulating in this dip? Right now, 19. Extreme Fear is going to update in the next 20 hours. So Extreme Fear 19. So remember, the lowest was 10, I believe. Yeah, it was 10. We got it, I believe, like what? Like a week ago or so. But guess what? The prices right now are much lower than when we got 10. Man, we're having some very tough times in the market right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at what are the cryptocurrencies that are, 1.6 trillion is keep going down. Man, this is dying. I love it. I hold my AMP, of course. I'm not gonna buy anymore. Pop says that's nice. Perfect example why we should be taking gains and not hold. Definitely, Gerardo. If you're making gains, of course, selling will be appropriate in my opinion. Absolutely. Jasmine holding strong. There you go, right here. Talk about Tonic. Shiba Army liking mana. There you go. Hey Oscar, how you doing? How you come back? You are here and not trading. Best time to short. Of course, it is a great time to do it. I'm not have money right now. BP say, oh snap! You know what? It's time when it's time to take a moment to shout out to my boy Oscar for bringing us the latest and greatest, even when it's not looking good when it through. Thank you very much, BP. Appreciate it, my man. Thank you, and welcome aboard. Times like this, it's just to play with shiny gold. That is the idea, everybody, right? You guys understand, my community understands that this is gonna pass. I mean, eventually, and I mean, we're seeing $39,000. Oh man, Ethereum on the 3,000. I remember when I bought Ethereum at 1,000, right? Absolutely. Cardano 1.23. What are the greatest deals right now? Well, I'm gonna go to Coinbase. Where's my Coinbase? Here it is. Please be online. Please be on, because sometimes it kicks me out. Yes, we're in. So let's see. Coinbase, what are we looking at? 163. This is just Ethereum, and now it's very down. Loving it. So this goes without saying, guys. Like, do not panic sell. Do not panic sell. Like, if you are already down, then don't do it, right? Let's put it this way. Do not panic sell. Right? And now, even that is not financial advice. If you want to sell, do whatever you want, right? Let's see what we got here, everybody. 18.55, the one that's dying is someone new, which is classic, new. So they were shorted. They were just very highly manipulated. Is there anything that is doing well right now? Suku. Oh, wow. We have a 65% Suku. That's great. Later on, we're going to see it dying, of course. Someone sold 10,000 Bitcoin on that. Oh, that's another one. That's, of course, going to hurt. Jasmine holding strong. Cosmos holding strong. So that's great. Let me go ahead and take a look at the bubbles and see how hurting we are looking right now, everybody. Ooh, the last hour. Take a look at this, guys. OMI down. BitTorrent doing very well. You take a look at that one, BitTorrent. In the last week, guys, redness. I want to take a look at this one. So go ahead and enjoy this one for us. Wow. This is the last week. It's been down, guys. It's been hurting. But what are we gonna do in here? I mean, we've been DCA in dollar cost averaging. That's what we learned. That's what we know. It's doing well. Don't we still have a government hearing on environmental impact? Get sandbox. There you go, guys. My wife filing for divorce tomorrow. Bail. Don't do it. That's nice. Hey, what's going on, Badge? Welcome. So yeah, I mean, one is nice harmony. One is one that I will tell you it's one to DCA. That's a good project for you to take a look at it. Sandbox 22%. So do not let them go, because if we take a look at the month, now we start seeing these winners. And here's the year, everybody. You want to get to Shiba Inu levels, you have to be able to willing to hold over all this madness that we're seeing thus far, right? Thus far, we see some good winners, so I like that. I'm going to go ahead and refresh and see what's going on. 1.86, man. It hurts. Here from Texas, guys. By the way, it's super cold outside in Texas, and we don't like it. We can have tornadoes. We can have thunderstorms. We can have rain. We can have earthquakes. We can have everything, but no cold, right? Where are my Texans at? Let's go, everybody. Where are you watching this live? Let's go ahead and enjoy this. Post your comment, post your question in the chat, blow it up. And if you're enjoying this live, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, please. That'll be awesome. Let's have fun, guys. Where you guys watching us from? Let's go. Oh, Houston here. It's cold. I know, Robert, right? Like, we don't like it, man. Oh, Satan. Oh, Satan. How you doing, mama? Prende la tele. Thank you, Satan. Appreciate it. Shiba Holic. Bitcoin, we break 39.68 at hourly close candle. We expect 38, then 37 unless we bounce back. Yes, I do agree, guys. We're gonna be going lower. It does seem that way. I'm talking, it's a sad story. I'm still holding, as you know, guys. Oh, Bitcoin, we love you, Bitcoin, but I mean, I'm talking, we love you. I'm talking, but it's hurting. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour, everybody. Let's see what's going on here. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the 1 minute. See some nice movements and probably more sell-offs right here on Bitcoin. There it is. It hurts, man. Texas here, Dallas, there you go, South Florida, Delaware, Boston, Canada, Pennsylvania. Guys, if you live in the like upstate, I'm so sorry for you. I don't know how you guys live there. I mean, I lived in Michigan for a while, but it's hard, man. It's cold. Come to Dubai, it's 22. I want to go there for sure. How's your VVS bags? I got 15 million. My VVS bags are there just holding and waiting, right? Precisely, I was learning a lot about yield farming too on the side. And well, let's put it this way. If you want to get into yield farming, now that we have Sunday swap, guys, Sunday swap is up. You can start adding liquidity. Guess what? The best time to add on a yield farming strategy is when the price of the digital asset is down, because not only you're gonna be getting what's going on, Joe, not only you're gonna be getting that interest that that APR, but also the price appreciation of the coin as it goes up later on. So it's just a nice work in progress, let's put it that way, right? Buy Sandman, a Gallon, Matic, gain profit. I mean, I think those ones are very good options in my opinion. It was negative 32 degrees the other day. No way, I cannot survive that. That's too cold. Orlando, we don't like the cold neither. Man, I mean, the cold is like, 45 degrees in Alaska right now. No, New Jersey, Texas, and they got Austin. There you go. Hey, Van, welcome. What's going on, guys? Welcome aboard. One of the things, of course, that I like to see right now is for Bitcoin. Oh, there it is. One of the things that I like to see for Bitcoin right now is, well, are we gonna be going down very badly under 35, under 37, under 38? My answer to that question, if you were wondering, is I think we're going down 38 in the 38 ranges during the if everything goes as if it's going right now. We may have a nice pump later on, passing the $40,000, but still around the 39 because of what just happened today. I'm going to go to the 1 year and take a look at the charts right now and indicate that with the technical analysis. Let's go ahead and do this. There you go, guys. So for those who are watching, right, we are experiencing a nice crypto retracement, nice crypto pullback, nice crypto crashing. I was iffy on using the term crypto crash for a long time. I learned my lesson. You know, some people calling me up saying it's not a crash, and yes, it was not a crash. But in this case, already from the 69,000 up to right now less than 40, I do agree. It's a nice looking crash. It's a nice looking crash, and it's fine. So the best way for you to look at it is, well, when was the last time here on Bitcoin? What's going on, Jazz? When was the last time here on Bitcoin that we were at this level? So let's go ahead and dissect this like pros. Okay, looking at Bitcoin right now, 2020 has started and 2020 has not been positive for cryptocurrencies. We know the deals, we know the government, geopolitical unrest, we know inflation, we know supply, and people banning Bitcoin and all the bad news on Bitcoin. However, if you're looking at this, if you're listening right now, guess what? While all of that bad things is happening right now in cryptocurrencies, by the same token, yours truly has heard some of the most positive pro-crypto, pro-blockchain conversations in the last month. In the last month, in all January 2022, we've had partnership after partnership after partnerships. We had evolutions of different blockchains. We have releases. We had, creations, new dApps, new blockchains, and new engagement and community in Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, and other different platforms. What I think is the price of the digital assets definitely penetrates to its core to all of us, the investors, but it doesn't have to do anything with the project itself. And that's one thing you see in stocks very, very easy. If you guys, of course, everybody knows Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos was asked in the dot-com era, right, in the dot-com crash, hey, Jeff, like, your stock Amazon is down from like $100 all the way down to, I believe it was $5 or so, like super down. And he's like, well, I mean, all my internal numbers are perfect, like are doing up, are going up, are going up, are improving. So just stock market is just a number, right? But at the end of the day, what's happening inside the blockchain, what's happening inside the project itself, that is doing great. And the numbers are positive and everything happens great for a reason. So hold through the hard times. Later on, the good ones are gonna come. Guys, you guys are watching. What are the projects? I want you guys to put it in the chat right now. What are the projects that you think fit in that description, that are undervalued, that the internal works are amazing, but the price of the cryptocurrency, it's crashing right now? What are the projects right now? Let's go. What are the projects you think are undervalued, that the price of the cryptocurrency right now is crashing, but its internal works, development, founders, and everything are doing fantastic? And that you, for that reason, you are not selling, you are holding, and you are gonna see upcoming growth. Let's go. Let's start putting it in the chat right now. I'm gonna go ahead and give my opinions and read it. Woo! Everybody talking to you from Texas, guys. Here's my Cowboys cup, as always, having a great time, because you understand, us the investors, even though the prices are extremely down, we're one, baby. We're engaged. We are together. We are the early investors buying nice JPEGs called NFTs. We are the ones that are buying, instead of buying that stupid dumb 2022 new truck, we're putting that money in blockchain, expecting growth. We are sacrificing right now for our family and friends. We're putting some effort and time to understand the unknown, and something is not gonna be taught at school. That is what we're doing right now. And if you understand it, if you enjoyed this, if you liked it, well, start doing your own research. I encourage you to not give up, because I started 1 year ago in early 2021 by buying my first Ethereum at $1,000. Now look at it at almost 3,000. So it's gonna be fine, and we're barely starting. Let's go, everybody. Also, that was some nice water, guys. That was some nice water. And if you are liking this stream, as always, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a shout out here in the channel. And of course, on the top of the chat, there's my Discord server. You want to join it? Go ahead and click it. Join. It's a Patreon page where you can, of course, support the creator. That's gonna be amazing, guys. We are willing and awesome, very excited to receive you guys inside. Okay, I'm gonna start reading what are the projects that you guys think are gonna survive this, but not only that, that are undervalued, that the price of its digital asset it's super down, but the internal work it's huge. So let's see what you guys have to say. Let's see what you guys have to say here. First and foremost, we have Solana, we have Algorand, CRO and XRP Link, Harmony, XLM, Stellar, B-Chain, Loopring, Quan, CRO, Mana. The lower we go, the sooner, the higher we go. So there you go. Shiba Inu, Shiba, Mana, CRO, Jasmine, Sapien, Phantom, Ethereum. Let's go ahead. Polkadot, Cardano, Crypto Gaming, Shiba Inu, XRP, Phantom, Bitcoin, CRO. I see everybody. So the more I see, and by the way, for all my members or people who want to become members of the channel, here are some of my emojis that you can get if you become a member right now. Plus, we give you a shout out here. Just send it in the chat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a poll, everybody, so you can vote and see who is going to be the winner, because that's going to be something pretty interesting to see, right? So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this, the first poll of the live, because we know, everybody, that the price of cryptocurrency right now is down. But let's see what's the project that the community right now are banging for, right? Are really looking forward. So which project is the most undervalued right now in this cryptocurrency crash? First option from everything that I've seen right now, let's go ahead and do crypto.com. Why crypto.com? Thus far with all my research, definitely can have a spot right here. And we'll continue talking about that one. Second one, Cardano. We have Shiba Inu, everyone. And of course, I cannot add every single project that I can, but I can only add 4. So the one I'm gonna choose is other. Post it in the chat. There you go. Boom. Let's see what you guys have to say, and let's go. How you doing, Denise? Welcome. Poll is up, everybody. So let's see what you guys have to say, and welcome everybody to all the new viewers that are here or the current subscribers. You're watching this is, of course, you're looking at your portfolio and saying, so what just happened right now with the entire cryptocurrency space? Well, welcome to crypto. We're still not decoupled from the stock market. What happened to the stock market earlier today? All the Fed news, the geopolitical unrest, the supply chains, the inflation, a 40-year high. Then yesterday we had, if you probably weren't watching, the president of the United States going live with his first press conference in 2022 and since November 2021. And the critics, they say that he didn't do very well. Whatever, that's not what we're talking here. But because he's the president of the United States, that affects the stock market, and that consequentially affects the cryptocurrency market. So everything is so intertwined. Even though we don't want to talk about, sometimes about politics, whatever happens there has ramifications to everything that we're doing thus far. It is what it is. So the best strategy for me to tell you, everyone, is, look, let me show you this. Right now, cryptocurrency price, I'm going to open this so we all can see. 38. No way, we're at 38 again. I can't believe it. It was 39, 38. No way. Really? Am I seeing this right? 40 CRO. Baby, a triple. It's getting bloodier. It's getting red. Oh, baby. Are you guys ready and packed? Are you ready to come to 1.83? Oh, wow. Okay. It hurts. Okay, 38,000 Bitcoin. Wow. BNB 429, Cardano 121, Solana 124, XRP 69 XRP, everybody. Dogecoin 15, Shiba Inu 25. Welcome, B9. Welcome. Cosmos 38. We have Crypto.com just dropped to the position 19, everybody. Crypto.com has dropped to the position 19. Wow. Shibaholic, Oscar, we need your opinion here. Let's say we don't hold Bitcoin, and if it falls lower than 34K, key support, do you think we will go lower than 29 in the upcoming bear season, or 34K will be the lowest? I think that's a great question. The first thing that we want to know right now is what's going to be the support for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space, but especially for Bitcoin right now. And what I think is we're gonna keep going down. Right now, there's no floor yet. Right now. Welcome, Alma. So we just need to be holding strong, baby. I mean, diamond handing right now, and let's go, everybody. Let's go, diamond handing, and see when it's gonna stop. Because right now, this time, there's no level. Baby, a triple. It's getting bloodier, everybody. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at the minute, guys? I want to see that. Oh, baby, want to see that that sadness, because I mean, it is what it is. That's what we are looking for right now, everyone. Take a look at this. That's insane, everybody. The prices right now are insane. Son of a Mike, welcome, everybody. I have dry power on deck, looking for a bottom. There you go. Loving it. People are taking profit before Powell's move. The morning pre-market will be unnerving. Oh, wow. Oh, he's speaking tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, baby, it's gonna be nice. 16K floor possible. Wow, I just got more Bitcoin, Jose Ramos. Let me go ahead and take a look at the comments right now. Fed about crypto and stocks. Now they're selling, tapering, and short crash in markets and crypto. Bought out leadership. Yep. What's the price target on Bitcoin? Price target on Bitcoin right now as we look at on the Fibonacci retracement, starting from the bottom on July the 20th, when we had a price. Let's take a look at this. We had a price of 29,000, everybody. So as you're seeing on the screen right now, 29,000. Welcome, Chiray. 29,000. I'm gonna go ahead and vote, by the way. Bam. Oh, it's neck and neck. Oh, it's almost neck and neck. We have Crocon at 30, Cardano 27, Shiba Inu 19, and other projects at 24. Okay, guys, if you think other projects, let's make it the first one then. Go ahead and slash all the projects out, all the other project option in the poll. I want to see you guys coming out. That'll be awesome. Having 29,889, and from looking at the people who have a little bit more experience, like let me show you this. If you are in the cryptocurrency space, I'm sure that you follow Lark and you follow Benjamin. Well, I follow Benjamin, and on YouTube, he gives amazing TA technical analysis. I already have some references from him that he is really good at what he's doing, right? So if you go to his YouTube channel, you will see that the only thing he does is pretty much technical analysis and his experience. So consequently, I follow his opinions. So he says, we will all love for Bitcoin to not be correlated to the stock market, but for now, that is unfortunately just the way it is. So I like to understand that a little bit better, right? Just in 1 hour ago, $418 million in crypto has been liquidated in the past 12 hours. So it's all coming along. It's all pretty much telling us we're going to be experiencing some big drops in the upcoming hours, including the one that we're seeing right now. What I'm looking at right now this time is, well, the stochastic RSI, it's not even at the bottom on the day. Okay, this is the yearly view, so this is the day. And the this is nice because the RSI tells me, okay, you know that under 30 is oversold. That's what happens with cryptocurrency under 30. Right now we're at 26. When was the last time when was the last time Bitcoin was oversold? May, which was the crash when we had what, 20 something thousand. It was a big crash. It was a big, fat, ugly crash. Let me show you the price back in May. Where is it? Here it is. We were at the same 29,000 levels. We were at the same 29, 30,000 levels back in May. And right now, it's 38. So at this time, we're still looking for a bottom. We haven't reached a bottom. But let me show you this. In my Fibonacci retracement that I've started here from the 0 all the way to the top 100%, we just reached 78% retracement. We just reached 78% retracements as I was talking right now with you guys. Here it is, 38,300. Wow, that's a good one to look at, everybody. How you doing, Deep? Welcome. 78% retracement. Wow, from the all the way to from the all-time high. That is insane, guys. Wow. Jiggy Fly cooking hamburgers, enjoying the ride, no fear, waiting for it to hit the bottom. That's great. Give me some burgers because I'm hungry. That is amazing stuff. But to buy AMP, there you go. What happened to AMP token? It's been dropping ever since what Bitcoin pumps. Welcome to crypto, guys. I have AMP at 5 cents average, so you can imagine what I'm feeling. But hey, we holding, we're not selling, baby. We're diamond hand, and it's gonna be completely fine. European tension sank in the market. JP, that's another one. The same reason why what the president of this country. Oh wait, for some reason here where I live, alarms are just starting. Okay, that's weird. I'm gonna continue with my live because it's like police and some people are doing other stuff right there. Anyway, that's gonna distract me, but I hope that you're not listening. Gosh, that's insane. Okay, that's so distracting. Anyway, it's like an alarm just went off right there. I don't know what happened. Anyway, what I was saying, can't believe it. What I was saying is that wow, this is so distracting. Can't believe it. Get out. I can't believe it. Some alarms out there. It's like a tornado's happening. I don't know. All right. Okay, well, I'm just gonna tell you, right? It's super cold here in Texas, and definitely, I'm sure there's something happening outside. Who knows? That's weird. That's weird. That's so distracting. As I was saying, everybody, as I was saying, European intentions. As I was saying, exactly what the president said in that briefing, right? That also had some implications with Ukraine, with Russia, and that is also a couple of reasons why the stock market not performing the way we wanted. Okay, now I'm back on track. I'm back on track. I'm back on track. Alrighty, everybody. So let's go ahead and go back here to coin market cap. We got more than 200 people watching, everybody. What's going on? And welcome aboard. My name is Oscar Ramos, and guys, we're talking about why the cryptocurrency space right now is dropping. Definitely, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. We at less than 1.82 at this time. Let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys. Fear and Greed Index 19 points at this time. It's going to upgrade in a couple of hours from now. And we're looking at 1.82 trillion, guys. That is insane. Go ahead and post your questions, guys, and your comments in the chat. We're talking crypto today. Maybe you should check. Nah, I'm not going to. I hear what you're saying about diamond handing, but just taking profits that keep a moon back. Don't diamond hand yourself into the ground, though. It's true. It's true. Let's actually talk a little bit about that one. I think that's a good point to make about diamond handing and when to sell, right? When to sell, that's another thing for us as investors, right? When to sell, in my opinion, guys, and what's been working for me thus far in cryptocurrency space is not to sell when you're at a loss, unless you want to apply some, tax harvesting even, or you're planning to utilize that loss for later on improvements in your tax return. That's also something that you might want to check with your CPA, with your tax advisor. That's another one, sure. What's going on, Omar? Welcome, Francie. Welcome aboard. It's going to be from extreme fear to dead. That's a good way to phrase it, to be honest with you. Like it up, Chad. There you go. We just had the death cross, so let's just hope to hold it tight and keep 38K level. Well, the good news is this one, guys. The resistance at, let's take a look at this. Those sounds here really threw me off. That was insane, guys, like super insane. 78% retracement at $38,175,000 for one Bitcoin, guys. We are lower than we were in September. We are lower than we were in September. So that on its own tells us that, okay, this is something serious. This is something serious. This is not something to be taken lightly, because now we got to be waiting when the next bottom is going to be for Bitcoin. The next trading pattern I'm going to find for you guys is the following. Oh, that's some nice water. That's some nice water. Bought a lot in December thinking about buying the dip. I know, right? What are we looking at right now? Let's go ahead and see on this time. From here to here, it's about, there you go, 30%. So 30%, everybody, we have to reach the July, May 2021 low. 30% is the difference right now, which is going to be a total of $8,000 something, about $8,000 to $9,000 from that low. Everyone, we are about to reach another confirmation for the 38,000. If that's the case, and we go lower than this one, than here, continue DCAing. And if you already have some profits, let's say if you already have some profits, guys, if you bought Bitcoin less than $30,000 and you're making some money, wouldn't be a bad idea for you to reconsider taking some profits. Just saying that. Would I do it? I wouldn't do it. But if some people consider doing that, that's another way of phrasing it. But I'm still holding for long term. There's one thing that you guys have to understand. Are you retiring tomorrow? Are you going to go out tomorrow the markets? If that's the answer is no, I'm just holding for a really long time in some positions. And other ones with trading, that will be later. Next month, we'll be back up, Camry says. Of course. Of course. Probably not next month because we still don't have that confirmation for how low it's going to go at this time. We just can make and guess at this time how low could be. For example, I'm seeing right now here. Let me go ahead and create this for you. Take a look at this right here. This is one level right about here, everybody. There you go. Here's one level. And what I'm going to do, horizontal line right about here. I'm also seeing one of the upcoming support levels at $36,000, at $38,000 with the Fibonacci retracement. Another low level that we could have if we continue for people to start making some profits with Bitcoin. I'm going to go here. There you go. Here's another one. Welcome, Shay. Welcome, welcome. We're talking about crypto, guys. It's crashing. It's not doing well. Well, let's just have a conversation. That's it. These are some levels that I'm forecasting for Bitcoin if it continues going down, as you're seeing right now on the screen. The answer to all of these, guys, is not selling if I'm a loss. I'm one of those. I'm only selling when I'm making money. Got it? That's my motto for sure. Was a Saitama holder, made a good money. Thank you. That's awesome. I need another beer. For sure, right? For sure. Jose Ramos, I think this is a good this is a good comment. If you're scared, just don't watch the markets for a month and forget about it. If you can do that, you should probably not be in crypto. Just my 2 centavos. I love to discuss about the daily tactics and the daily movements with cryptocurrency, guys, because, I mean, if you're one of those who cannot withstand this, fine, but I love it. And I've learned some mental fortitude with some stock market options at a loss that I had to sell. So I've lost money in the past, and that gave me the mental fortitude to withstand these type of things. And one thing I like about crypto, everybody, is that, I mean, these are not options, so they don't expire. Basically, what you buy right now, if you continue holding, eventually later on can go back up. Take a look at some of the DeFi platforms like Uniswap, AnySwap, SushiSwap, and right now, VVS Finance. What do I mean? Because when they start, they dropped massively, but later on, they went ahead and crushing it completely. So that's what I'm looking at, everybody. Definitely, it's going to take some time, but it will be fine. At this time, the RSI for Bitcoin is very down. Everything's coming back down. Let me go ahead and take a look at even the Bollinger Bands at this time are even below, are much higher than the price that it is. So for whales, this is a great time to buy some positions, by the way. But I go ahead and delete the Bollinger Bands and add my MACD, guys, and see what's going on. Here it is. MACD at this time looks nice. Look, we haven't even barely started this bear market at this time, because in November, September, and May, this is when you start seeing more histogram that is super down right here. This is May 2021. This is exactly when you see that the price are not going south, guys. When exactly things are going on and it's not getting pretty. So thus far, it's starting to be building. It's building thus far here. Where is it? There you go. It's about to be building. It does seem that could be one way. So at this time, the market feels very, very bearish. Very, very bearish for sure. That's for Bitcoin, everybody. We got CRO. Besides Bitcoin, we got other more different cryptocurrencies, which I'm super happy about it. Let's go, guys. Let's go and welcome aboard. Go ahead and smash the like button. I consider subscribing. Go ahead and turn on those notification bells, guys, and welcome, welcome. Thank you very much for the new people watching. Oh, baby. Nice, nice, nice. I'm going to go ahead and we have, let's see for the poll, because we may have a lot here. I'm going to go ahead and close the poll right now. It's been a while the poll has been open, so let's see what are the projects that you guys think won. So, which project is the most undervalued out of my 4 options? And you guys said CRO 34%, Cardano at 28%, other at 19%, and Shiba Inu. Got it. So Crocon, and actually I'm seeing a Crocon ad right now because I'm about to replay this live. So that is insane. So Crocon is what a lot of people are here for. Crocon is something that I can take a look at it. I mean, people like Crocon. What are some of the reasons you guys like Crocon, right? Go ahead and post it in the chat right now. Why you like Crocon, how much you guys see it go continuing and grow to the uprise. A couple of the things that I'll tell you about Crocon, guys. The reason why I like this cryptocurrency is because of the fast that it's growing, very nice at a great speed, and possibly can compete with Binance later on. Not really in the short term. At this time, I know Binance is really at a position and a price that is great for them to continue expanding and dominating the market. But Crocon, current partnerships, the NFT drops, even earlier this week they had a nice hack. 483 people suffered that hack, and they restored the funds and they added a layer of security, which I like to see. The first super chat of the day goes to Aram. What's going on, Aram? Thank you very much. What's up, Oscar? Why do you stay positive when the market looks like this? My friend, because I look long-term picture. My man. That's what it is. Let me go ahead and bring you back down to coin market cap of 1.83 trillion. I mean, just don't worry really at all. And every time the price goes down, I just remind myself that I'm buying something for in the upcoming 2 to 3, 5 years. And you guys are here watching this because probably you understand that later on in the future, these prices will be much, much, much higher. And that is exactly why I do. That is it. Price of global cryptocurrency market is very down. But not necessarily you need to stay positive or all upbeat as long as you don't go crazy insane, which the greatest definition of that will be selling and regretting it later. Right? That will be, of course. All in amp if it hits 1 cent. I mean, you need to know that the market will recover eventually. Absolutely. Pathetic Wells fighting this. 38,600 for Bitcoin, guys. Almost 8% in the last 24 hours. That's big. Almost 10% on Ethereum. A lot of sell-off right now. Cardano 1.21. This is not the cheapest we've seen Cardano, by the way. Not the cheapest. Shiba Inu 25. 4 zeros 25 on Shiba Inu, guys. Wow. Crypto.com, we have 40 cents. Man. And you know what? Earlier in the year, I bought Crypto.com for like at 55, 53 cents. And I bought a lot of it. So kind of gives you an idea, guys, that I'm diamond handing. But I'm looking for long term, baby. Joe Pena, what's going on, everybody? Welcome. Salud, my friend. Holding Crow. Can't wait to get my metal debit card. Hey, there you go. You're getting those engaged with the projects. That's really good. At this time, guys, what are some of the projects that I think I should be looking into for buying the dip? Algorand, Polygon, Rose Network, Near, VGX, which is Voyager exchange. That could be another upcoming Crowcoin because it's an exchange too. So let's go ahead around the house and take a look at it. Algorand is one at 112. I bought it under $1, but I kept buying. Definitely not up at this time, but later on will come back. Stellar is another one for sure. But you need to remember what the metaverse is all about. And I think the metaverse will be huge later on. We talked about NFTs earlier today with Eric. And well, we know that you can make money with NFTs. Absolutely. Bill says, I'm 3K down now. I'm still holding and buying more. Bill, probably I'm down. Just to give you an idea. Actually, let's do something. That it could help everybody here. Let's do something. Just got a great idea right now. I'm gonna make a chat, right? I'm gonna make a poll right now. How much are you down? Right now? Yeah, let's do it. How much are you down in crypto? Now, this question goes to all the holders. This question goes to everyone who is holding right now. And hey, I'm down $5, $100, $1,000 or more. So let's say the first one is gonna be how much are you down? Less than 1K. Less than 1K, that's one. Less than, let's do from 1K to 10K. Let's go up 3K, 5K, 35K, 8K. Wow. Let's go ahead and do, let's see if I can type. There you go. There you go. 5K. Let's do from 6 to 25K. And last one above 25. Oh, baby. Because I know some people above 25K. Oh, no. Send it. I hope to see a lot of less than 1K, but I think that's not gonna be the way. I know something else is gonna beat it. How much are you down in crypto, everybody? We have Chuck. What's going on, Chuck? Thank you so very much for being another super chat in the channel and the live. An awesome program which is undervalued. It's Veracity, VRA. It's already one of the backbones of the metaverse. Chuck, thank you so very much. And for that, I'm gonna go ahead and check it out for you. Go ahead and start voting, guys. Let's see what's happening right now. Veracity, what in the world is Veracity? 372, that's not bad. What are the tokenomics? 19 billion tokenomics, okay. A circulating supply of 447, okay. What is the old on Veracity? Coming back down, which is not surprising because everything's coming back down. Okay, thank you for sharing, buddy. Appreciate it. Thank you. Connor, welcome. Bitcoin is a scam. Nano, classic. Let me go ahead and vote. And to tell you and be completely transparent to all of you guys, Adita, welcome. How much is Oscar Ramos down? Easily. I'm down from like a little bit less than like around 1 to 5K probably. Because one of the things about my portfolios is that I buy really cheap. That's one thing that I want to share with you. I buy low and I hold. So in a way that helps me, but still being down 5K, it's a lot. So boom, 1 to 5. Oh, that's the one winning. So yeah, $1,000 to $5,000 probably I'm down. Definitely way above $4,000, so close to the $5,000 range. So a lot of people right now, we're down, everybody. And once again, this serves for you to just understand that you're not the only one. Okay, 150,000 down, someone said. Sorry for you. Sorry for you, but it's all right. No worries. We're going to be holding right now. Holding. Down about $200, one of my on my most accounts. That's good. The only coin I'm holding, Shibaholic says, is Shiba Inu. I wonder, right? Just with the name. Oscar, this is my first time on the stream, but you do a great job. I will tune in again. Thank you, Connor. Appreciate it, buddy, and welcome. The last hope for call me alpha. What's going on, buddy? I'm up 2K, but down 8K since Thanksgiving. That's one thing. Let's go ahead and take a look at that too. But first, I'm still waiting for more responses. But first, how are things going on Coinbase? See how things are going here. I'm gonna close Twitter because we don't need it. Thus far, $38,617 on Bitcoin, everybody. It's not looking good. At this time right now, where we're looking right here. Who's up? Suku is up, but less. And still extreme fear, of course. Let's take a look at the crypto bubbles. Love the crypto bubbles, man. Where will Ethereum stop? It's going down. That's a great question, everybody. It doesn't look so pretty right now with all this green, right? But guess what's going to happen? As soon as I take out the hour, done, everybody. All red. In the last hour, man. In the last hour. So that is why it is always great to have some money on the side to buy the dip, man. To buy the dip. Albugi saying, wow, we took a hit today. Keep your heads up. High panic selling is the worst decision you can make right now. Of course, I wouldn't call it a reversal. No, I mean, right now we don't have any reversal thus far. We still are down because we're down under $40,000. So we just have to wait till tomorrow and see how things are gonna be in the market. Absolutely, we gotta wait till tomorrow because right now, CRO. Take a look at CRO, 460% in the year. This is how CRO looks like right now, but everything else is down, and we've been like this for a while. ADA too, 243% in the year. The rest is down. The rest is down. What's another one? HNT, helium miners. Do I have any helium miners? By the way, helium, more than 500,000 miners. Yes, that's awesome. I got 3 helium miners coming my way in the upcoming months. So I'm pretty excited. Guys, do not forget about helium. And just to give you an idea, 1,400% up. You don't want to miss this. I'm just saying, right? What's another one? AMP token. Well, AMP token, the beauty AMP token is still going to take a while. 439% the year. That's great. It happens. Algorand, 95% in the year. Definitely, it's one to be looking for. Isn't that exciting, everybody? Taking a look at some of these cryptocurrencies. I'm buying the dip. I'm buying the dip and buying the dip. Russia banning. That's another one, right? Of course. Ouch. Hey, what's going on? Jose, welcome. Go ahead and smash the like button. Everybody consider subscribing and turn on those notification bells. Rose, Algorand, for sure. So, what are the questions that you guys have? The Q&A session starts now. Any questions that you guys have, shoot it in the chat right now. Let's go ahead and drop it and eat it alive. Because right now the cryptocurrency space is down, as we know. We have a little bit of an uptick going to $38,000. That is not bad. I mean, still. And CRO, let me go ahead and open this for us. 40 cents. Did it drop under 40? It did not drop under 40. But I wouldn't be surprised if by the time we wake up, that happens. 1,000 eyes. Never heard of helium miners. Well, I'm super excited that you're asking that question and you came to the live stream. Helium miners they look like an internet modem, and basically you connect them to the internet. You connect the antenna. You create a helium wallet. You plug it in and you sync the wallet on your phone to the miner, and you instantly are mining helium. It's another way of passive income. I love it. I've been making a lot of money with it. Let's do it. That's helium. Do you think CRO could reach? That's CRO, what we're looking right now. I'm going to go ahead and open it for us, guys. It's the 1 hour tick for CRO. There you go. So we can see CRO very well right there. There it is. Do you think CRO could reach as low as 35 cents tonight? Right now, 40 cents. If it's going the way that it is from 47 to 35, I'm in the more positive outlet right now. It's staying around 40 cents, which is very low still. Very low. Anytime 1,000 eyes, of course. Forget about mining, bro. Your own Nancy Pelosi climate change hit list. I know. It's been tough. Charles, great question. What I'm saying is the following: because Bitcoin is still dropping right now under 40,000, we do not have the bottom yet revealed, but we know what happened in mid 2021, which was the low of 29,000, and right now it created some nice support lines right here on Bitcoin at 38. I mean, basically, we haven't passed, right, the support level on the stochastic side, which is the 78.6% retracement. That's what I'm saying. It was rejected. That's good. It was rejected. But if I wake up tomorrow and it crossed, that's another indicator that we're coming even lower. But because just going down $40,000. That's a big deal. But once again, one man's trash is another man's amazing treasure. Right now, everybody, whatever you buy, just know this. Whatever you buy right now is going to have bigger profits in the future. And guess what? Tomorrow, your store is getting paid. And I'm buying, man. Look, it can get lower, yes. It can get much cheaper later on, yes. But right now, guys, the long-term story is that it's going to be fine. It's going to continue growing. That's an easy 2.5x from Crocon right now because it's going to pass $1. That's what I'm saying. Buying the dip. Bought in July 2020. That's nice. Oh, you order your helium miner. Still waiting. Wow. That is nice stuff. MKP, amen, bro. Of course. So, understanding all of these guys will help us, see that at the end of the day, this is a waiting game. We'll be fine. Our better times will come. And definitely, this could be just the beginning of the bearish momentum feeling continuation in 2022. Thus far in this year, we haven't seen positive outlets, positive news, price related, because otherwise, Cardano launching Sunday swap, Cardano becoming very good at what they're doing when it comes to expansion and utility and providing economic identity. Loved it. Algorand, if you go to their Twitter account, partnership after partnership with Algorand. They're expanding and doing really well. Governance is going right now. I'm a governor on Algorand, so it's doing very well. Crypto.com adding VVS Finance and more utility right there with single IGO initial gem offering, Tonic, Beefy, and many more. My VVS Finance people probably watching right now. What's going on, guys? Welcome. I listen to you. And other different cryptos. Solana, the fastest in the blockchain space, and Bitcoin definitely. What happens with the president of El Salvador and Michael Saylor, right? They're still buying the dip and holding strong right now because they cannot do. I'm sure they're not gonna be selling at a loss. I'm highly positive. Actually, let me go ahead and go to Twitter, because we're already on Extreme Fear. That's not news. We've been on Extreme Fear since the end of December. Classic. By the way, everybody, if you guys want to hear even more comments where I post, take a look at my Twitter account. Follow me here and ask me anything if you want. I may respond to you if I have the chance. There it is. What I was going to say, let's go ahead and take a look at Michael Saylor, because I like to follow the guy. Of course, billionaire, lots of money, founder of MicroStrategy, super good. So let's see what he's saying right now. If you're going to invest in Bitcoin, a short time horizon is 4 years. A mid-time horizon is 10 years. And the right time horizon is forever. Let's just dig in what he just said. Somebody who is a millionaire, who knows a lot, who is, somebody who already made it. Short time horizon for Bitcoin holding, 4 years. 4 years. Mid-time, 10 years. What does that mean, guys? That we are barely starting. We're barely starting. So do not panic. It's barely starting. This is great. This is awesome. And we're going to be doing extremely fine. But we just have to be willing to diamond hands these opportunities and buying when others are selling. Even more, the largest Bitcoin miner in North America is now public and trading as this on NASDAQ. Congrats to this one at the team. What's happening, everybody, is that meanwhile, you and I, you see what's happening right now, everybody? You see what's happening, everybody? Why are we experiencing a massive crash also in the market? Why? Well, because there's more whales coming to the market. There's more billionaires and millionaires coming to the market. And you know what they're good at doing? Scaring the public. Because they know how we act. Sadly, but true. They know the public, as soon as they start seeing these prices, they're going to start panicking, questioning, doubting, selling, and getting angry at this. And you know what very smart people like him do? They buy the dip. I mean, I'm just saying, guys, because we've been here before. If you are not a 2019, 2018, 2014 baby back in the day when they literally experienced one of the worst crashes ever from 20,000 back to 3,000, then you don't know what a crash is. You don't know what a crash is. That was the worst thing that for Bitcoin and Ethereum back in the day. They know what a crash is. They know. So if you cannot hold that, then of course whales have a different perspective. These are people that are millionaires that already made it, and they for some reason their greed, their want for money never ends. And ours, we want it, but we don't want it that bad because we cannot endure. It's all on you guys. I know that I'm gonna be holding, man, and I'm gonna have this channel providing that message to you. I'm super humble and blessed to be having more than 270 people here watching that are listening to someone who, I mean, it's barely starting on this one. Still having all of you here reminds me why I started this journey. And guess what? I'm gonna be here when the entire panorama changes. When we are very nice, not Lambos per se, but nice exploders, infinities, Teslas. How about that? We're gonna be fine. And I'm gonna be very happy to tell you Bitcoin passed 100,000 on January 2023 or whatever. I'm talking just past its all-time high. Cardano just crossed $5. Crocon just passed $1. We'll be here for that. We'll be here for that. That's gonna be amazing. So, does that make sense, everybody? Does that make sense? That being said, it's gonna be awesome. Great attitude, positive. Of course, Kaiwan, of course. At this time, let's go ahead and close this poll. And the reason why I'm talking like this is not because I want to make everything positive and want to lie to you and want to say, okay, want to be like blinded to, okay, I just want to fake it. No, because it is true. This is the future. This is where we're heading. And if billionaires, millionaires, corporations, governments, presidents are investing on it right now, there's a reason, everyone. Don't be silly. Got it? Alrighty. How much crypto are you down? 1 to 5K, 32%. So that's us. Less than 1K, 39%. 6 to 25, 25%. And above 25K percent, oh no, 12%. There you go, everybody. So you're not alone. We're gonna be fine. And oh, baby, a triple. It's gonna be amazing, of course. The United States is scared of a change just like Visa, etc. Call me Alpha, you're right. Guys, I'm talking Visa and other different companies, right? Payment transactions. For a long time, they've been charging the fees to the consumer, to the end user. But guess what? Crypto, blockchain, changing that. That scares the main people who rule the country here in the United States. I mean, I've never been a big fan of how do you call them? Like I forgot the phrase, but this kind of conspiracies. I've never been a big fan on that, but just gotta understand, follow the money, and that's where you're gonna lie the decision makers. Just follow the money. Got it, everybody? Great work, Oscar. Thank you, my friends. So can you do me a small little favor of smashing the like button right now? Consider and subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Go ahead and join my Patreon if you so desire to join my exclusive community with Eric, with NFTs and more. And in the link down below, we had this amazing little cryptocurrency coins. In the link down below, Crypto Mint in USA, you go ahead and buy them, and aren't they cute, everybody? Cardano and Shiba Inu, baby. And of course, guess what, everybody? I own one Bitcoin. Bam, here it is. This is my Bitcoin that I own. Really high quality coins, guys. So go ahead and take a look at them. Highly, highly recommend it to you. I love them. And you go ahead and can buy as many as you so desire. Guys, at this time of the video, 1.83. Let me go ahead and take a look. One more refresh. 1.83. We're still down. Have an amazing rest of the night. God bless you. Be blessed. Be safe. For all my Texas family, it's cold, so layer up. Catch you later, guys. Tomorrow, more news and more videos, more fun. Peace. Thank you, everybody. Love you guys. Appreciate it. And let's go. Bye, guys. Thank you to all my members, to all my new subscribers, to all my viewers, Mommy of the Aka, all the different moderators. Thank you for watching, guys. And the donors. Peace, guys. Thanks so much. Let's go.